Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Government PSU Jobs India. So in today's video we are going to cover the latest vacancies which we are having in a PSU known as Hindustan Aeronautics Limited HAL. As you can see on the screen, so last date of the submission is 30th October 2024. We will discuss about this advertisement, so let's start the video. So as you must be knowing that HAL is a Navratna public sector undertaking. It's a Navratna PSU. Okay. And the details of the posts are: we have DGM FOS, Manager IMM, Deputy Manager IMM, Deputy Manager Finance. We have Finance Officer, Deputy Manager HR, Deputy Manager Media Communication, Officer PR Media Communication, Officer Company Secretariat, and we have Fire Officer as well. And certain reservations are also there. You can see on the screen: SC, ST, OBC, EWS, UR. So you can go through the advertisement. I will also upload the link on the description section from where you can download this advertisement also. So we will be mainly covering the major points here. So let's come to the educational qualification. You can see on the screen there are the educational qualification which is required for the particular designation for which we are hiring. Okay, so I'm just scrolling up. You can get the detailed advertisement because our main motto is to highlight the major things of this advertisement. Okay, so here we are having the minimum number of years of experience which is required. So you can see here, for manager it is 6 years of experience required. So this you can also see. I will upload the link here in my video's description. And these are the age limits with respect to particular grade. And the most important thing, this is the remuneration of the pay scale which they are offering. So for grade 2, the basic pay initial basic pay is 40,000. For grade 3, initial basic pay is 50,000. Grade 4 it is 60,000. Grade 5 70,000. Grade 6 80,000. Grade 7 90,000 basic. An annual increment is of 3% of the running basic. And this is the most important thing which many private employees don't know. So apart from the basic pay, they will also get the variable dearness allowance, which is more than 43-44% currently. So there are several perks. There is a company accommodation, house rent allowance, performance related pay, membership of provident fund, gratuity, and we have allowances 35% of the basic pay. So fees is of rupees 500. Okay, and SC, ST, PWD they are not required to pay the fees. Okay, and how to apply, this is written over here. You can go through this registration format. So major things I have covered. Very good opportunity for the PSUs. It has a very good perks, benefits. Apart from the salary, you will get very good medical policy where there is no limit sometimes in particular PSUs, and there is no deduction as well from your salaries. It is already covered from the side of the employer. Like in private, you might have to if you are opting for a top up of 20 lakhs 30 lakhs, so there might be slight deductions from your salary, but that is not the case in many PSUs. So they provided from the employer side. So it's a very good opportunity. HAL is a Navratna PSU. So if you want to avail this opportunity, please go through it and prepare to be part of the public sector enterprises. Okay, and stay tuned to my channel, stay tuned to my all videos. If you are new to this video, please subscribe to my channel and never miss any latest job videos, latest videos on salary slips. Okay, thank you so much. Bye bye.